Ohio Minna, welcome to Neko Newsroom. So our news reporter Neko-chan has some news for us. Let's hear it.
Yes sir, new reincarnation fantasy adventure The Man Who Wasn't Banished, My Second Life began with Groovling web novel by Aramaki started a manga adaptation by Yamamoto Arata on magazine Pocket Wave. Fantasy adventure about an ordinary guy who somehow became part of an elite hero party on the way to defeat the Demon Lord. Even though he could be considered dead weight, his loyal companions never even considered kicking him out, which doesn't exactly made him feel better. But just when they are at the climax of their journey, facing the Demon Lord, his true purpose becomes apparent in an unexpected way. He died in that event while saving one of his comrades and gets reincarnated as a monster. Now he has to live in this demon realm. Japanese name Tuishou Sarenakatta Otoko Nidome no Jinsei wa Dogeza Kara Hajimari Mashita.
That's for all. See you in the next video.